Welcome back. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can customize look and feel of the whole platform using custom CSS. Okay, so we have updated our custom CSS things, and we can apply CSS to design and do coloring, do all kind of CSS stuff. If you do not know what CSS is, you do not really have to know. Almost every designer knows how to design with CSS. You can just ask us or hire anyone else. It's really simple. So let me go ahead and show you how we can do for a few buttons. So I'll come here and find out the custom CSS. We will be reordering the menu items real soon. So this is the custom CSS tab, and this is what we really need. All we just need to do is open this one, and I will create another tab. Let's say I create another web page here. I will simply, I think I'm already logged in as a user. So let me go ahead and let's say I want to change this button background color. Okay, so I will right click on this button, and I will see inspect element. Once you see the inspect element, you just need to click on here, and then you come here and click on here. So we will be selected. We will select these options here. So once again, click here and then select, done, boom. Then you have to see, okay, there you go. This class is responsible for changing color here. So what we can do is we can set our own colors, okay? So we can just write background color to be red and color should be white. So here a few things, and border can be 1 pixel solid, and it can be black or it can be red as well. Maybe my spelling is wrong, solid, that should be an I. So now it looks good to me, and we can also adjust the hover color as well. So let me go ahead and save this information. So you just need to copy this one, save it and paste it here, okay, and click save. So now this page will be refreshed with the new design, so that's fine. Now one important thing you need to remember is that this custom styling may not be changing because we have a CSS styling already default applied from the code base, so it will override. So if it override or if you do not see your effect, we will have to use important. So I will just refresh here to see if the changes is available now. So that's cool. We don't have the changes here. So we will inspect if our CSS is loaded. So if we come in the CSS tab, we will see a custom CSS, and then we will see that our CSS has already loaded. So that's pretty cool, but it was not overridden here. So what we have to do is that we have to come here and we have to write important here. All you just need to type the exclamation sign, and the important will be automatically added for you. So I will just use important for all the CSS property, because what important does is that important overrides any other CSS applied to this class. Okay, so it overrides everything else and use this CSS class. Okay, so that's what the important is useful for. So I have already saved. Now I will refresh this page again, and we'll try to see if it is affected now. Here you go. Our custom CSS is loaded, and I can see the code that we applied, and boom, nice, cool, awesome, right? It's absolutely amazing that our CSS has changed. Now let's say you want a complete darker version of this whole page, okay? So you can make this complete website or this page or any pages, be it in the student dashboard or here, you can make completely your own customized version. So let me just go ahead and show you a few things. Let me go ahead and show you that if I want to have a dark version of this one, so what I can do here. So I can click on here, or let's say I want the header to have a different background color. Let's say I want it to be black, and it's okay, never mind. So let's say I want this one, and color white. Okay, the color will not be affected here. So what we have to do is to keep your website little faster. So what we can do is that we do not use any other CSS and only use the CSS that we are overriding. Okay, so we are overriding the background here, so that's fine. Now we will be changing the text here. And the reason we did is that we did this one is because we can actually apply css anywhere. So if this class is used anywhere else, that would also be affected. So what we can do is that we can attack multiple classes. So let's say if I want to update the color of this one, so title 4, we can say color to be white, and we can use directly this class. Or if you know a little bit of advanced css, maybe you what you could do is that you could target from this class, from the top class. So I can say maybe target this to this, and I'm just changing my white background text color. So nice. This is now a little darker version. So let me go ahead and save it. I have not used import in here. Maybe let's say sometime it will work, sometime it will not, just because the overriding issues. So yeah, the background is working fine, but the color is not, because we need to override the color as well. So let me go ahead and override. Perfect. So it's saved now, and we have overridden of everything. Now we have a few more stuff to do. Remember one thing: it's not just this page. Okay, maybe this was not applied correctly. So what we can do is just skip this one for now. Okay. So this is not the case for this page. We can customize anywhere in the whole platform. Even the dashboard, you can change the dashboard things or to your own dashboard. It's absolutely fine. So this is the problem that I mentioned. I changed the title for, okay, and this is the class title for, and this title is also being used in here. So this will automatically apply. So you see title for. So that is one reason actually. Okay, cool. So this one is also changed. What we have to do is change color of this one as well. So we will pick another dark color. Okay. Keep this one. And we can just copy this. And same, we remove all the other CSS and simply use our own CSS things here. So that's it. And then we can maybe change the whole row together. Here we go. And we can change, yeah, we can keep this block. We have to change the text as well. So we just say color white. That's all. When you do this design thing, you could simply use two tabs, so it's much easier. With Mac, it is a lot easier to design with multiple tab. English child. So this is how we can perfectly customize the whole platform to our need. Let's save the information and see what happened. Here we go. We have did a lot of CSS style to our own liking, and we can apply anywhere in the whole platform. So thank you for watching. This platform is really, really amazing, and they are actually working really great. And I really hope you would enjoy this platform better than Cultivate Teachable and any other. Thank you for watching.